Nuvo Iron How to Install the Plastic Post Base Anchor. You'll need to purchase 4 number 10 screws 4 inches or longer, 4 number 10 screws 1.5 inches, and 4 number 10 screws 3.5 inches or longer. Designed to secure a nominal wood 4x4 post to any deck or surface and defend against premature splitting, rotting, and warping, it's perfect for your next project. You'll need a pencil, drill bit, and level to complete your project. It's important to make sure this product, as well as the fasteners you use, are right for your project. You can learn more about this at nuvoiron.com. Now that we've sorted that out, if needed, cut your wood post to the desired length and make sure the end is square. Next, place your post into the anchor and make sure it's completely inserted. Start with marking, and for wood posts, drill pilot holes. Secure your post to the anchor from the bottom using number 10 screws 4 inches or longer. Now we can secure the post anchor to the deck surface. Start with marking and drilling guide holes. For wood surfaces, drill pilot holes. Then secure using number 10 or 1/4 inch screws that are a minimum of 3.5 inches long or longer, and ensure it's fully embedded in the same thickness of material. For the sides, we're going to use number 10 screws 1.5 inches long. Make sure your post is level before completely tightening. And that's it! You've successfully installed our plastic post base anchor. For more information about this or any of our other products, visit nuvoiron.com.